Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card from Target. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the search box type in Target gift card and start your search. You will then see the gift cards link from Target. Go ahead and click on it and this will take you into the various Target gift cards section. Choose the type of gift card that you want and click on either one of them to see the details. Once you find a gift card that you are interested in, you can select the delivery method either by an email, by a physical mail or text. Then choose the value that you want to load into the card and then choose the quantity. Finally, click on the Add to Cart button and then proceed forward with checking out. Now you can add any gift message that you wish and also use a promo code if you have one. Finally, click on the Checkout button and you can proceed forward with your payment method. And once you have verified your payment, your gift card will be delivered with your chosen method. And there you have it. That is how you can buy a gift card from Target. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.